Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So previously I shared with you baby packages that you can get here in Sweden if you get pregnant. Today I'm going to share another nice thing about Sweden, which is recycling. I'm in my second trimester, but then I think my nesting feeling is already coming. So I started to declutter our balcony. And there I found a lot of pant, which we've accumulated for like quite some time. And pant means is a way of recycling cans. I have it. Cans and bottles, and then they can give you actual money in return. So all you have to do is like just check your cans if they have this right there, this pant logo, like this one as well. Logo, and then you can just go to the nearest pant station and bring all your pants. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so here I think we've got like 2 black bags of pants, so it's full of these bottles. And here some more. I don't know if you can see it clearly. There. So we are going to bring this to the pant station and exchange for money. That is where the soup house is. So we're gonna have a trip to that place right now. Okay, so before we go to the pant station, we're going to have a short trip in the garbage area, or what they call sophus. And that is where the people here in Sweden throw their garbages. Usually in the Philippines, we just wait for the garbage truck to come by our area and then we just throw our garbage that way. But here is different. They have this sophus, so you really have to go out. Okay, so this is how the sophus looks like. So they have different recycle bins and it's all labeled, so that means you have to sort it out yourself. There, you cannot just anyhow throw here. It's not how they do that. Okay, and then now we're going to the pant station. Return. Okay, so this is the pant station. This is the machine. All you have to do is just put it inside one by one, and then the amount of the container or amount of the bottle is just between 1 to 2 Swedish crowns, depending on the size of the bottle. So let's see how many. Utbetalning. Ta-da! 70 crowns. We're out. We're going to go to the supermarket to exchange our pant. So we had 20, 11, and there we have 101 Swedish crowns. You have to scan it first. Yeah. So we just got 120 for a bill. Okay, so we're back from the supermarket. So we actually planned to cook sinigang, but then their salmon is finished. So we decided to just cook adobo instead. And the cost of everything is actually 219 crowns. But because of the pant that we had, we ended up paying 120. So it's half. Sabi nga sa Pilipinas, may pera sa basura. Actually, it's true. Here in Sweden, there's really like money in the trash. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and you can also comment down below for any topics that you want me to do or anything that you want to know about Sweden. For now, I need to go and cook my adobo. See you again. Bye!